Hey guys, Russell here. What we're talking about now is how to roll your calves out. We talked in a video before about how to do proper rolling. Let me show you how to roll out your calves. It's a tough area to stretch out sometimes for people. So what don't you do? On the ground, you can do both calves at the same time, which is even better. If not, just do one. Doesn't really matter. And same thing, you're going to find those tight points. We're going to roll it out. Find that right there. And I got actually on both on that one there. Okay. Feel that there. Make sure your hands are comfortable, your head's comfortable. Okay. Find the next point. Good there. Okay. And again, once you find those points and you release them all, then you roll back and forth slowly. 1 to 2 inches per second. Turn your toes in to get the inside part of your calves. Okay. Get the inside and then roll them out a little bit to get more of the outside. Good core workout too. All right. Slow and steady wins the race. Nice and easy. Don't rush it. Stretch those calves out. And if you need to, roll them out necessary if you want to too. All right. Stay tuned. Save this video for later and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.